Deadly walkie-talkies explosions in Lebanon. Yes, it's again the same story as day ago or 2 days ago with the pagers, and this time I believe more than 10 people died. Hello everyone, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, September the 19th, 2024, we have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 9296. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. Over 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then I need a 1 here, and I need well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3, cannot continue with 3 now, need to wait. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the second row, no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left with 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, let me see. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left with 8 should be there. And we have a pair again. The 3 and 8 in this column. The 3 and 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 4. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. That means 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 4 number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. Well, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only place left of the 2 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers and 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with 1 now, need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then need a 4. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers, I believe the 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Well. Okay. In this row, we need a number 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place left for 5 in this row should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. 5, need a 5 here. Okay, 5 there. Yeah. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair here. Okay. We have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 and 3, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then need a 6 here. Well, you can give me 6 and 9. Okay. How about well, need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, second column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here, alright. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the third column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 4, 1 and a 4. Two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only place left 9 should be there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4. We cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 and a 4. In the first column, we have a 4 now. In this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between, the only place left the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left the 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 11 minutes. Well. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.